I'm glad you're here and I welcome you on Solved Gadgets. The following crazy cool gadgets and inventions that will surprise you are featured in today's video. So without further ado, let's watch the video. Those who possess enormous wardrobes would be delighted by this information. Your clothing would be easier to arrange, store, and steam thanks to this ingenious piece of technology known as ThreadRobe. With the assistance of the innovative application, you may choose the garments you desire, and the wardrobe will discover and provide them for you. As a result of how effective the steaming technique is, the program developers guarantees wrinkle-free clothing. Moreover, the wardrobe can wash your seldom used garments on a continuous basis, as well as it offers you shopping recommendations. This would evaluate your clothing, provide suggestions for organizing changes, and help you choose what to wear by doing so. The project's webpage tempts users by asking them to imagine never having to fold, hang, or put away your clothes again. However, the technology is rather expensive to purchase regardless of the discount option you avail, and the wardrobe will set you back roughly $800. On the other hand, the following approach is intended to make it easier to separate the different loads. Packages and goods may well be transported on this conveyor belt at up to 4 feet per second since it has been designed from independent modules. Due to all the honeycomb components, 3-roller configuration, extensive customization is made possible. The software enables the technology to also be tailored for particular loads without compromising the capacity of the system. When a module malfunctions, other neighboring modules immediately take over all its workload. The construction of an intelligent conveyor belt surface is made possible by the Swarm Intelligence System, which makes this conceivable. And indeed, the component may well be detached for replacement or maintenance in just 5 minutes. This smart home control panel is designed to improve people's well-being by turning their homes into their oasis and to provide homeowners with unique, calm, smart home experiences, and it is known as MUI board. However, you would be spending more time interacting with your loved ones and much less time staring at your smartphone. This panel's natural wood construction includes touch controls for Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. It measures roughly around 2 feet in width and weighs 1.2 pounds. The MUI board has 2 speakers that provide high-quality audio. It possesses all of the standard capabilities of contemporary smart homes, including the ability to control the lighting and provide weather forecasts. Designers assert that the MUI Shizen idea of existing in a natural condition served as their inspiration. Because of this strategy, the panel requires little time to operate and is very simple to use. You can easily switch between voice commands for Alexa or touch control to operate the MUI board. The seamless synchronization between the two comes in handy when you have your hands full and cannot reach for the panel. As long as you have this mechanism in place to organize waste collection, there is no need to have dump trucks drive through the main street and inconvenience the street sweepers. It helps to ensure that garbage is gathered separately and transported to a centralized garbage destination, saving money as well as energy. The technique is quite straightforward. Garbage is placed into the appropriate garbage can by the individual who wishes to discard it. Whenever the cans are filled, they are emptied and the trash is separated and placed in different containers. With such a range of up to 2.5 miles, the technology is more than 3 times more energy efficient than competing technologies. In recognition of its tremendous popularity, the product is currently in use in countries all over the world, including Russia, Saudi Arabia, and China. Aficionados of both the Cousteau Odyssey as well as the Lara Croft films would undoubtedly appreciate this South Korean robotic crab. It will be applicable to both scientific and commercial endeavors as well as to treasure seeking. This design of the system, which closely resembles a crab, is purposeful since it offers steadiness and mobility. The machine is around 8 feet in length and weighs roughly 1,300 pounds. The Crabster CR200 moves along at a pace of around 1 mile per hour when walking. Furthermore, it has 2 distinct operating modes. As its legs are stretched, the robot improves stability, which is necessary when operating on the seafloor. and when its legs are raised, it transforms into a quick small submarine. The advancements in the 3D printing sector are occurring, evolving, and growing at a breakneck pace. Fashionable 3D printed shoes are already a reality, despite the fact that printing delectable meals is not yet feasible. Stefan Henrik, a German designer and architect, has recently completed a pair of sneakers that stand out to users for their unique form and style. The sneakers are manufactured from a substance known as synthetic TPE. Its own rubber-like elastomer is comfortable to the touch and blends flexibility and sturdiness. With just a few tweaks from its maker, the intricate details of these shoes can go from tough as nails to feather soft, turning them into an absolute delight to wear. Step into the world of myth and mystery with these sneakers named Cryptide, which pay tribute to creatures of fabled tales and lore, some of which have disappeared without a trace, while others were merely figments of imagination. Henrik, the mastermind behind these sneakers, drew inspiration from the elusive footprint of Bigfoot and other enigmatic beings to shape the sole of the shoe, a nod to the mystique and allure of these legendary creatures. Slip into these sneakers and follow in the footsteps of giants as you embark on an adventure of epic proportions. Although it may have a straightforward appearance, this Polish-made drone is incredibly effective and useful. Its capacity to operate both on the ground and in the air makes it valuable for carrying out searches and rescue missions, as well as delivering packages in difficult-to-reach places. A simple battery charge enables the drone, which weighs 50 pounds, to drive for 10 hours and fly for 20 minutes. The operator is helped by a portable 4K camera and may also plan the path for independent flying. The drone can recognize and steer clear of obstacles thanks to the integrated NVIDIA, Jetson, AX, and Xavier microprocessor. This is a treat for laser engraving aficionados. With this handy tool, you can virtually draw anything on materials including paper, cardboard, wood, leather, and much more. The gadget is small enough to fit on a desktop and has a lifespan of around 10,000 hours. There are numerous safety measures, such as one that disables the laser if the integrated accelerometer senses an unintentional movement. The iOS and Android applications allow for the downloading of photos. The fact that metal cannot be used with the gadget may be the sole drawback. The gadget is compatible with micro SD cards and charges through micro USB cable.